Bryson, is this your favorite Freddy Bear? Hi, Freddy Bear. You give him hugs? Yeah. Hi, Freddy. Do you love him? Yes, you do. Where's what?
Yeah.
Would you like one of these? No? Okay. Where's your papa?
Yeah.
You trying to take a nap? It's too early for a nap. Careful. Careful. I'll take your papa. Thank you. What? Now you want it? Would you like me to get you one? Yeah, animal crackers. Oh, there you go.